everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be starting a new topic on calculus. So if you don't know like trigonometry or algebra, or like if you're not that good at them, then you might want to get good at those before you learn calculus, because in order to do calculus you need to know a lot of like prior knowledge about trigonometry and algebra. So let's start off with the first topic in calculus, which is I. So I is basically what calculus is made of. So I is just kind of like a number. So I mean, it's kind of like x and like sorry, that's the wrong way. It's just, so the definition of I is basically I squared equals -1. So I is a number that when you square it equals -1. So it could also be defined as I is equal to the square root of -1, because you just take the square root of both sides. So it could be defined as that. And you would know that without I, there would be no answer to this solution. Like you just can't take the square root of -1 because there's no answer. So and so that's where we introduce I. It's a new number. And on the number line, so this is the number line, right? It starts at 0, and there's 1 and 2, and 2, and then wait. So there's 3, 4, and 5, and then so on. It just keeps going until infinity. And then it also goes backwards, so -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5, all the way until, again, -infinity. So, and then to I, where it exists one step above. So above the, so if you go like that, it exists one step above the number line. So it would be like I. And of course you can keep going. So 2I, and 3I, and 4I, and 5I, and then you can keep on going until infinity I. And also you can come down. So that would be -I. That would be -2I, -3I, -4I. And so you get the idea, and then it just goes all the way down to -infinity I. So yeah, so this is basically what's known as the Argand plane. So I mean, I think that's what it's known as. Just wait, let me double check. I'm sweating. So it is known as the Argand plane, or it could be known as the Argand diagram or something. So the Argand plane, and yeah, that's basically what I is. Yeah, so that is, so now, and then I'm going to be going into more things about I in the next few videos. So yeah. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.